would like to invite on the stage in front of the lovely audience Miss Alia and Miss Gaulavi. Please do come on the stage. Clap for them.
Good evening everyone, I am Arya.
I'm Gauravi.
Today we do a conversation between Sona and Riya. So let's start.
Hello, hi Sona, how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm also fine.
Riya, I want to say something.
Just tell me.
Our city Panna is not clean. There is too much garbage.
Yes, I also see the dirt everywhere.
And electricity goes many times. It is very big problem.
Yes, light goes again and again. It was very bad, yeah.
I don't like this. Panna will be clean and developed.
Yes, Panna is a developed city.
There should be good schools and colleges.
Education is very important.
Road should be clean and better.
Yes, everyone should be a proper electricity.
People should also keep the city clean.
Yes, everyone should help.
I hope Panna will improve in future.
Yes, I hope the same.
Thank you.
And have a nice day.